Chrissy, I had something happen this past week, and I've been a lawyer for over 40 years, and this has never happened to me before. So
Wow.
I wanted to tell you all about it
I
because
would love to
I
hear.
find it quite fascinating.
Okay, I would love to hear.
Okay, so you feel free to ask me questions as we proceed because I think this is, I find it very interesting. Okay?
Okay. Well, and especially the fact that it hasn't happened for you
Yeah.
before.
So, first of all, I did mom and dad's wills back in the day. So
Okay.
they both came to see me. They have three children. Let's say they have three sons. And in their wills, and they're both on the same page because mom and dad are both there with me.
Okay.
They both have identical wills. And in those wills, they leave everything to two of the sons, but omit one of the sons.
Okay.
This happened years ago.
Okay.
Okay. And as we always do when we have clients in that situation, we make notes as to why they're omitting that son. We
Right.
want to know. So if the son ends up suing mom and dad for omitting him from the will, there's evidence of why mom and dad did this.
Right.
And of course, we have those notes in there. So the two other sons that were receiving mom and dad's inheritance, they called the office earlier this week, our office. They don't talk to me, they talk to the front, and they say, we would like to do a Zoom meeting with all three kids, and we would like for Tom to break it to the third son that he's been omitted. He's not getting anything from mom and dad's estate.
And are mom and dad alive?
Oh, they both passed away.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And, I'm running around like always busy. I
Yeah.
said, okay, set it up. That's okay. Go ahead and do it. I
Okay.
don't give much thought to it. And so that Zoom meeting was set up for last Thursday, just a
Okay.
couple days ago.
Uh-huh.
And I log on to the Zoom meeting, and there's two cameras going on. One camera's on the two brothers that are getting everything.
Okay.
One camera's on the brother who doesn't know it yet, but he's
Okay.
not getting anything.
Okay.
Okay. And I was right up to that Zoom meeting busy. People coming to me, asking me questions.
Yeah.
I don't really have time to prep for it.
Absolutely.
And so that I'm on the Zoom with them, my microphone and my camera is going, and I go, "Hey guys, I gotta mute my microphone. I gotta turn off my camera for a few minutes while I get up to speed here, okay?" So I mute my microphone.
Okay.
I turn off my camera.
Okay.
I go to my notes because
To
I'm not
look.
quite sure. I'm not up to speed yet.
Right.
What exactly has happened? So I'm telling you these things. I didn't really understand it fully at that moment in time, but I see these notes.
Okay.
And I'm reading these notes. I'm bringing myself up to speed with mom and dad, what their will said, etc. And while I'm doing this, I can hear this conversation going on between these three brothers.
Okay.
Everybody is happy. Everybody's laughing. Everybody's joking around, okay?
Okay.
Everybody's having a good time.
Okay.
So now I know why I'm on there, but now I, fully understand the ramifications of what I'm about to do
Okay.
and what's been asked of me.
Okay.
So I bring the microphone back on and I bring the camera back on, and I'm not one to mess around. I'm going right to it, and I go,
Right.
"Hey guys, I just want you to know that I did your mom and dad's will, and I'm looking at it right now. And by the way, they left everything to son one and son two, and they left nothing to son three."
Okay.
I'm looking at the expressions on their faces. Son three goes from smiling, happy, jovial to got a frown on his face now.
Okay.
And I go, "Would you like for me to tell you why?"
Uh-huh.
And they said yes.
Okay.
Okay. I start reading my notes. It's everything that you might expect in a situation.
Okay.
We lent son three money. He never paid us back. We haven't talked to him for 3 years.
Oh.
One or two other three reasons.
Okay.
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 All these reasons that are when somebody omits a child from their estate, we know it's so common. These are the reasons.
Right.
But for the listeners out there, because we've said this many times, I want to say it again. What is the biggest, number one reason why people omit their kids from their estate? We loaned them money and they never paid us back.
Yep.
And that is why you and I have a rule that we follow ourselves, and we tell all of our clients, never, ever, ever loan your children money
Exactly.
or co-sign a loan for them.
That's exactly right.
If your children need money, this is a lesson that my father gave me growing up. Give them money and say, "Here
It's a gift.
Yes. If they pay you back, great. If they don't, that's fine too.
Correct. Or don't do it at all.
Or don't do it all. If you can afford it
1 minute.
and they need it, then go ahead and do it. So it was very interesting to see the reaction that, happened. And And hey, Mark, call was over. Oh, first of all, so the son went from happy and jovial to a frown to these words: "Oh, I didn't want anything anyway."
Whoa.
And that's the end of our Zoom conference call.
Whoa. Wow. Big deal.
I find it fast. I've never been asked to do that before,
Mm-hmm.
and certainly never been asked to do it via Zoom call.
No, absolutely fascinating that it even happened and that you were asked to do it. And it kind of goes along the lines of a modern version of a reading of the will.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Everybody,
So-
my name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law. We're going to take a break. We'll be back in just a few minutes.